Understanding longer days ahead, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English expressions to uncover the meaning and usage of a commonly heard phrase, longer days ahead. This expression is rich in metaphorical meaning and is widely used in various contexts. Stick with us as we explore its significance and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. At first glance, longer days ahead might seem to talk about the actual length of days. Literally, it refers to the time of year when the days are getting longer due to changes in the seasons. This is especially relevant as we move from winter into spring and summer in many parts of the world, where daylight hours increase. Moving beyond the literal, this phrase often carries a metaphorical significance. It's used to express the idea of hopeful times or better circumstances in the future, after a period of difficulty or darkness. Just as longer daylight brings warmth and growth, metaphorically, longer days ahead suggests positive change and improvement in one's life or situation. In conversation, you might use longer days ahead to offer encouragement or optimism. For example, after discussing a challenging period someone is going through, you could say, "Don't worry, there are longer days ahead," implying that things will get better. It's also common in speeches or writings to inspire hope and perseverance. Leaders or authors might use it to motivate their audience, emphasizing that the current struggles will lead to a brighter future. To help you better understand how to use this expression, here are a few examples. After a tough year, it's been a hard journey, but there are longer days ahead. In motivational contexts, as we continue to work towards our goals, remember, there are longer days ahead. During recovery, the road to recovery might be long, but there are longer days ahead, full of possibilities and new beginnings. Longer days ahead is a beautiful expression filled with hope and the promise of improvement. Whether you're using it to comfort a friend or to motivate a group, it's a powerful reminder that no matter how tough things get, better times are on the horizon. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using English expressions with ease and confidence. See you in our next video.